Hi friends, my name is Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we do all things healthy. And today I'm going to show you how to make 3 delicious, healthy summer quinoa salads that are perfect to bring to a potluck or just make to have on hand all week long. These are really simple recipes. They're all naturally gluten-free, naturally vegan, and I know that you are going to love them. So we are gonna start off by making my pad thai quinoa salad. This has the flavors and some of the ingredients of pad thai, not all of them, but it reminds me of what pad thai tastes like, but it's in salad form. We're also gonna be making my black bean and cilantro quinoa salad. This is really great as a side dish. It's also great inside of tacos or burritos or fajitas, but it's also really delicious on its own. And then we're finishing things off with a semi-sweet salad. This is my blackberry and apricot salad with spinach, mint, and chopped almonds. So all of these are so delicious. They are up on my blog already. You can find the links to the recipes down in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed or joined our community yet, you can tap that red button right below this video. It says subscribe, that will subscribe you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into our recipes. For the pad thai salad, we are going to start by thinly slicing our zucchini. So I slice it into half, and then I slice it into strips, and then I slice those strips into thinner strips. We'll do the same with the red bell pepper, so core it, and then half it, and then thinly slice that into strips. For our carrot, we're going to start by peeling it, and then peel it into ribbons. You can just use a regular peeler to do this. And finally, for our green onions, just thinly slice those. So to our large salad bowl, we are going to add a whole head of chopped romaine. Then we're going to add in all of the sliced veggies that we just cut up. We'll follow that with some quinoa, and then we'll toss this all together. And I like to do this ahead of time because I can keep the salad for a longer time without dressing it. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna make the dressing. The dressing is super simple. It's just peanut butter, some gluten-free tamari, some Asian hot sauce, some ginger powder, a little bit of sesame oil, and the juice of 1 lime. And you can just whisk this all together. If it's a little bit thick, it depends on the thickness of your peanut butter, you can add a little bit of water to thin it out. But essentially you want it to be a thin consistency, and as I pour it into the jar, you can see it's basically like a vinaigrette. Then when you're ready to serve your salad, you can just dish it up and pour that dressing right on top. I like to garnish it with some fresh peanuts and some cilantro. It adds a really nice brightness, and I also like the crunch from the peanuts. But overall, this is such a simple salad. It's great for meal prep, and you can totally add an extra protein if you wanted to make it more filling. Our cilantro black bean quinoa salad is crazy simple. You basically just add the quinoa as well as a can of black beans, some cilantro, some lime juice, lime zest, and some salt into a bowl, and you toss it all together. That is it. It is so easy. It's also really good with a little bit of cumin, maybe also some chili powder if you wanted to add a little bit of spice. But like I mentioned, this is great in burritos, great in tacos, great as a side salad. It's also just really great with some romaine as a regular salad, but I love how easy it is. And finally, for our blackberry and apricot quinoa salad, we're going to start with the dressing. The base is olive oil. To that, we add in some lemon juice, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup, some turmeric, some smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. And I like to make this dressing in a jar just because I can make a little bit extra. It's really good just as a plain salad dressing too. Essentially, just put it all in your jar and then give it a good shake until it's all emulsified. Then you can move on to your apricots. We are going to dice up 3 fresh apricots. So I like to cut it into sections and then cut those sections into little pieces. And once you have the apricots all chopped up, we'll assemble the salad. Our salad is cooked quinoa, some chopped spinach, our chopped up apricots, some fresh blackberries, some chopped almonds, and some fresh mint. And then you can just pour that delicious dressing all over your salad and toss it all together. When you're ready to serve it up, just plate it up. I find that this is such a great side salad, especially with like a veggie burger or something really light. I actually made this in Vermont and I ate it outside with my parents for dinner, and it was so good, and it's just sweet, it's tangy, it's bright. I love the mint, and it's something that you can keep in the fridge for a couple days and enjoy whenever you'd like. There you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video. As always, please share a photo with me on Instagram. If you end up making them, you can tag @simplyquinoa or use #simplyquinoa. I would also love to know what you think. You can come back to this post, leave a comment, and let us all know what you think. As always, the full ingredients, instruction lists, more photos, and all that good jazz is up on my blog, so I have linked all 3 recipes down for you in the description box below. You can hit those links, head on over to my blog, and make them for yourself. If you haven't joined our community yet, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. That will subscribe you. I am here twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday, sharing new video content, so there is always a ton more content coming your way, and of course there is a ton to browse through in the archives as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!